all the data will be starts with a work in progress, and your engineering department, R&D department, whatever the data they have. So quickly we'll go to next thing. Where we'll see what the EPDM can do for you. It will track and manage all the changes to protect the data. It will be a less time to spend for organizing all your data. Faster engineering process. It will help you to increase your productivity and reusing your that data. Enhance collaboration with not only with the CAD, also with the non-CAD departments. Improving your search and retrieving the data from the vault. Automated communication with all the departments, kind marketing, purchasing, or quality assurance. Quickly, I'll tell you some capabilities of the EPDM. Number one is granular security. Granular security, basically, I told you that in this granular security, there will be credentials will be given to each user who will be working on the vault, and each of the user have their own rights to access the vaults, and they are given their login ID and the password through which they can log in into the vault and they can work on their assigned data. Next is a powerful search tool. This powerful search tool will help you to find your data. It may be any data from the vault. In this search tool, not only you can search the data with the help of your names, you can search with a description, you can search that with a the search tool you can have. You can not only can search with the names, you can also search with their description, their number, and their who has checked out from the vault. Next is replication. If the attendees are facing any issue, then they have got a chat window with them. So directly they can type it if my voice is not audible or if they are not hearing me properly. Okay, next we'll go to the next capability of EPDM, where we have replication. Replication is a feature where it will help you to share your all the data in the multiple locations of maybe in the country or on the different overseas where you have located different offices. You can share the data. You can replicate the data whatever the physical files you have. Next is a flexible workflow. Flexible workflow will help you to ensure compliance. It will help you to set up an multiple workflow. This workflow will help you to process your data, how your data will flow through the process. Data connectivity. In this data connectivity, it will help you to sharing your data with the different systems, maybe ERP, SAP, different systems. Also, it will help you to import and export the data and access to the external database information also. Next point is scalable solution. In this scalable solution, this EPDM tool will support not only for single user, it supports for 100 users, and also not only users, it supports at many global locations also. So next we have a short productivity curve. This short productivity curve is thing where we can implement this EPDM tool at your location. The fast implementation can be done. Also, it requires very low training and it is easily configurable. So these were some few capabilities. These are our few customers who are using enterprise PDM. AMD, GT Technologies, ATEC, TLD, Holland. These are few customers they are using EPDM. And these are a few case studies of a customer. Tiger Cat. Mr. Steve Moses, the manager of Tiger Cat, felt happy using this EPDM tool. These are few companies listed where we implemented the SolidWorks EPDM in India at different locations of India. So quickly we'll go and we'll watch a small animation video of EPDM.
The benefits of 3D design are well proven, but with the many interrelated parts, assembly, drawing, supporting documentation, one major pitfall: explosion of data. To manage changes, many designers copy entire projects, creating redundant data. Huge. More changes, the larger your design team, the greater the chaos. You wind up wasting critical time searching for files that are misplaced, overwritten, or even deleted. So, what can you do to make it better? Enter SolidWorks Enterprise Product Data Management. Enterprise PDM gives you a centralized vault and design file management tool so that everyone across your organization can access the most current data in a consistent way. You eliminate file redundancy and clutter. Everything is indexed, so finding the right file is fast and easy. And with Enterprise PDM's intelligent versioning and revisioning, if you make a mistake, reverting to a previous design is no sweat. With all your data in one central location, backups become effortless, and you can set security so that only the people you want have access to your files whenever they need them. Even if your design team is spread around multiple locations, Enterprise PDM gives them quick access to your data. Data stores can be replicated locally and synced automatically for instant access from anywhere in the world. In addition, Enterprise PDM provides a higher level of productivity and collaboration through its automated workflows. Data is routed throughout your entire organization, and critical information is delivered directly to your design team. Automatic notifications and a streamlined approval process remove bottlenecks, and you always know the status of your projects. The best part is that no matter the size of your organization, Enterprise PDM is easy to deploy and easy to use. It works directly in Windows and uses familiar commands like File Open and Save As. With Enterprise PDM, you put your energy into your design instead of wrestling with data. Bring the power of product data management to your design process. Call your local SolidWorks reseller or visit www.solidworks.com/EPDM. Gain control, speed access, optimize processes. SolidWorks Enterprise PDM.
Okay, this was a small video of SolidWorks EPDM. Quickly, we'll have a small poll where I have some questions for you, and I want you to be answer that questions. Poll number 1. How do you manage your data? You have 15 seconds to answer for this question. So time starts now. Time up. We'll have next question. I found a bit same where each have their own answers, where manually got have PDM and others have the same voting percentage. So quickly I will go to the next poll. how your company first create bomb using. So we have 15 seconds again. Time up. Okay, everyone using CAD for their bomb. Next, we'll go for the third poll. Third poll is, do you route BOM through multiple departments? This time starts now. Time up. Good. Everyone, yes. We have last poll for the webinar session. Next poll is, how do you get information from engineering bomb to ERP? Time starts now. Okay, time up. Thanks for answering for the questions. Everyone use a manual data entry for transferring the data from BOM to their ERP systems. So this PDM will help you to send that XML format of BOM into the ERP. So just we'll start today's agenda with the interface of EPDM. This interface of EPDM is as similar to that of your Windows Explorer, where you can see this is a window where you can see on the left hand side you have different vaults, and today we'll see some demo 2014, which is what we are working on. Just if I double click on this, you can see this is your vault interface of EPDM, where you have a folder structure created and you have your own datas in the particular folder. And presently I have, if you can see in the task pane, this is a tab for logging in and logging off of system. I'm presently logged in as a Dave. Dave is a manager in the company, so I'm logged in as a Dave. So just I will explain you what I will be doing now. So Dave is a project manager. He has got some drawings, and he wants some modification to be done. So what he will be doing is he will just create a document where he will explaining the engineering department to do the same modification to that drawings. So quickly I will show you just the product structure. To say, you can see the designs in that we have project folders, project 18, 19, 20. Same if you want to create a new project, just you need to right click new, as you say, as if you do in a Windows Explorer. Just create new project, standard project. What is your product? You have a capping machine, you have a piston product filler, and what is your customer name? Maybe SolidWorks. Okay, just if I say enter, you find a new project in the vault with an incremented value compared to the previous 2021. If you go on creating the projects, you will have incremented value automatically. This is all managed by the administrative panel. So quickly I will create a document for requesting the changes. Just I will create an engineering document. This is these projects I have in my vault. I will go to the project where I will be working on. Okay. Once I say OK, you can find a pop-up window. This is a file card for the document. So quickly I will add some description to that document. So I want to request to Engine Puppet to add some light and sprocket, and also chain guard. Let's say open the file. You can see now we are into the Word interface. EPDM has been got an integration with all the softwares, also with the Microsoft Office, where we have got an add-in to the Office. Just you can see from this, instead of going back to the Vault for managing your Word files or Excel files or any Office files, we have got add-in in this, so we can directly work on this directly. So if you can see the tab here where we have select in Windows Explorer. If I select this, it will take me to directly to the Vault where this file is being saved, EC1081. This is an engineering document I have created, and I will be sending this to the engineering department for the changes. So quickly, before I send this document, I want this some document to be sent along with this. Maybe for example, I have a drawing, initial drawing, which I want to be modified. So quickly I will go to the Explorer again. We have a demo 2.4. This is a Vault. Now I have an drawing file in my Vault, and I don't know the location of that. So as I told you, we have a strong search tool with us, which will help me to search that file from the Vault. So we have a search window here, open search. If I say open search, we have a number of options for searching this file. We can search by name, description, number, anything. So quickly I will search it by number 227. Now you can see the file with the 227 has got listed. Now we have a drawing file and assembly file associated with this. So quickly I will copy this file, close this, and I will paste this with the EC document, paste as reference. If I paste this as reference, whenever I send this document to a next state, this drawing will be sent along that. Quickly I'll go back to this, and I want to add something. You can see now the data cat has got automatically updated. The ECN number, who has created, what is the project number, what is the description of this, and you can see this ECN relates to this document. As I have added reference to this document, it has taken this reference. Quickly I want some comments to be added to this document. So quickly I will go back to the card where you can enter the properties of that file. So quickly, as I added description, I want to add some comment to this. Check for compatibility of design used. Quickly I will say OK. You can say it has got updated automatically into this Word file. Quickly I will check in this document so that I can send back to this Vault. When I say check in, I want this Word file to be checked in, and it is ready for engineering. Check in. Now this has been into the Vault. You want to send this to, you want to change the state. I want to send this to the engineering department so that they will be notified and this file will be sent to them. So these are all the files which will be sent out. As this document has been connected to this, make sure that what are the files you want to send to next state. So I want only this ECN document. So quickly I will unselect all the things which I don't want to send to the next state. You can see this, only this EC document will be sent. Now you can just quickly I will enter the comment, perform the work. You want notification comment, I want this work to be done today, and to whom you want to notify, they want to notify this to Mike, as Mike is a design engineer. Say OK. Now my work is done. I have asked the engineering department for few modifications. So quickly I will close this, and I told you that I will be logging off as an Dave, and I will be logging in as a Mike, so that that notification will be received. Logging in back as a Mike. Once entering into the vault, Mike will receive a notification saying that what are the modifications to be done in that drawing file. Also, he will receive engineering document file, which will tell the what are the comments and what is the description being added into this. You got a notification. This is a notification which I received from the Dave. It says that the file has been changed from pending to released. It has been performed by Mr. Dave, and the state, you can see the state change comment, perform the work. Notification comment is today I need to do the work. So quickly I will browse this document. It will show directly show the location of that file in my vault. So quickly I can have a direct preview of this. So you can see the preview of this directly, where it will show what is the document number, what is the project number, and what is the description of this directly. So quickly I have read all the description, and I came to know what are the modifications I need to do. Also, what is the drawing file it is related to this. Quickly we can have a view on the data card, properties of the files. Also we can check what it contains. It contains the drawing and assembly related to this, and where it is used can be checked. You can check the location of this. It is in the Vault Design Project 19 document. Okay. So quickly I will go to contains, and I will, if you want to browse any of the file, just right click and you can say browse to. Browse to will take you to the location of file in the vault. Just you can have a small preview of this. In this preview we can have a preview. We have a e-drawing viewer for this, where you can check what the changes I need to be done. I need to change this sprocket with the lighten one. You can see the bill of material of this and the title box for this. Quickly I can check the data card of this also, what is the description of this, and quickly what it contains, and everything can be checked with this. So quickly starting my work. Before that, I want to tell you how we can organize this part, organize the files. Quickly, I want my files to be organized by the type. So quickly, I will type on this type. You can see these are all the purchase part. These are all the purchase part which I don't want in my project folder 19. So quickly, I will remove this, and I will paste this in different folder, because we have assigned a different folder for this purchase part. I will cut this, and I will paste into a directory where I want to save this. Libraries, I have the part folder. Quickly I will paste this. All file got moved into the new folder. By relocating the files to a different folder, the reference will be maintained. That is an advantage of EPDM, because some of this purchase part has been used in the assembly. So quickly I will go back, and I will start performing the work. I am in the folder 19. It's I want to work in design data. This is the assembly I will be working on. So quickly I will open this assembly. You can preview this. Same. As all the files got has been checked in. So before I want to work on this assembly, I need to check out all the files. Now you can see these are all the parts. These are all the purchase parts which I got the reference linked. So this is a assembly, but I'm interested in working with this sprocket. I want to change this sprocket with the lighten one, and I want to add a small chain guard into this. So as if you can see, we have an direct add-in available in the SolidWorks. Not only on the SolidWorks, we can have this add-in on the different CAD softwares. So we can see Enterprise PDM, and you can see all the tabs available here, same which are available in the Vault view. So we can directly check in, check out, you can check the properties, you can apply the properties, you can open the Windows Explorer, everything can be done on the SolidWorks. So quickly I want to work on this assembly 227. Quickly I will open this. Before I want to work this, I will check out this file. What do you want to check out? I want to check out the assembly with the drawing. Let's say open, and we'll open this subassembly. This is my subassembly, and in this case I want to change the sprocket with the Lighten one. So quickly I will check out this file from the Vault. Check out, and once you check out any of the files from the assembly, the name will be reflected automatically that which user has checked out that file from the Vault. Also, it will show different column views. These are all the column views which are being customizable, where you can have your own customized column view, versions, who is checked out, what is the state of your, how the workflow, how the parts are or the files are being flowing through the work state, what is the child quick information, what is the revision version. Then you can also check the symbols here, equals to. This will indicate that whatever the files you have in a local view, also in the Vault, they are same. So quickly I will open this sprocket, and I want to add a lattice sprocket. I have some designs for this. So quickly I will add one round holes to this. This is my round holes. This is a design one where I want to suggest this to the manufacturing department. But as you see, this sprocket, it is seeming like some complicated, where the gap between these two holes is very less. Because of that, the sustainability of this sprocket is bit less. So quickly I will check in this document, so that this design is sent to the manufacturing department. I will add a comment saying as added rounded holes, and say check in. Once I check in, it's back into the Vault. Now I have some other designs also where I want to add this. If you want to add some few more design into this, you need to check out this file. Quickly I will check out this file, and I will add a different design into this. I want to add a sprocket into this. Okay, and quickly I will check in back, and I will add a comment as added sprocket holes, sorry, slotted holes. Quick check-in. Now you can see, now I have a different design available for this sprocket. Quickly you can see the history of this, where the history where admin has logged in as Mike has created design one, then he has checked in, then Mike has created a third version. These are the three different versions which were created. So quickly we'll check out this versions, what were the versions. So what will affect the weight of that sprocket. So quickly I will close this. I will open this in assembly. You can see that sprocket has got updated in the assembly. Have this sprocket. So I have added an annotation to this. This is 0.57 weight. So quickly we will check how the weight will differ if you add any rounded holes. So we have a second version as a rounded holes. You can see the weight has increased to 0.65, and if I check the initial version of the normal holes, you can see without holes it was around 0.85. So I think so the slotted holes is a better design for the Lighten sprocket. So we have an option of because maybe you have three versions now, because maybe a different designs where you have number of versions. How can you update the latest part? You can have an option where you can get latest version of the part. Quickly, if you say latest version, you'll have a latest version of your part. It's having a 0.57. Okay, I'm done with my task 1, where I have created a lighten sprocket. Now my task is to add a chain guard. So quickly I will go and browse that parts from the vaults. Browse. So now once again we'll be using the search tool, because I don't know the location of that chain guard in the vault. We have that option. So here I told you we can search by any input. Now I don't know the name of the document, so quickly I will search it by their description. Guard. If I say guard, you can see the description sprocket guard has been reflected. So quickly you can see the preview of this also, and I will open this. Quickly apply some mates to this. Now added in chain guard. Now I want to fix a fastener to this. So quickly I will go back and browse for that part. Once again, I don't know the name of that part, so quickly we will go and search with the description. The description name is bolt. Say enter. There is no bolt available here, so quickly I will have change the name. I have it available here. No, we have any M5 bolts. We don't have any bolts. Quickly go back and we can have an search. We can have a total search. Instead of searching with an folder, we can search with a whole vault. We'll say bolt. Initially we were searching in a particular folder. Maybe it was in a different folder, so the search was being filtered to a vault demo 2014. We got an bolt here, external flange. You can have a preview of this, and also you can have a different configurations available. So quickly I will open this. Open this and drag and drop. Now same, you can have specified the parameters. What is the thread? What is the length? We apply some mate to this. This one. This one. Okay. We apply another mate. This automatically got fixed. Just we will copy the mates of this quickly. Copy with mates. The component you want to copy, you want to give the relation as coincident and the concentricity. Both got fixed. Okay. Now I'm done with my work. You can see the sprocket has got added and a chain guard with the fasteners. So quickly we'll go back and check whether the drawing has got updated or not. It's important. Now you can see this here drawing, where you can see the file has got updated. Drawing file has got updated, where you can see the slotted holes with the chain guard. Also we will check with the bill of material where it is got updated or not. Annotations will have an automatic ballooning. You can see a standard automatic item number has got reflected. 20 is this chain guard and 21 is your fasteners. Just will check 20, 21. Okay, now I'm done with drawing also. So I'm done with my modifications, what they have suggested me. So quickly I will send back this drawing to Dave for approving. So, and I need to check in back to the vault. Check in. What are the documents you want to check in with this? You want to send only the drawing file, or you want to have the assembly? just ready for engineering. Quickly I will check in this. Now this is into a vault now. Now quickly I will send for this approval also. Okay. Now it has been sent to a dev where he will be checking that whether this drawing has been updated or not. So quickly I will close this. Have been saved here. No need to save because already it has been saved in the vault. Cancel. So quickly I will go back and log in as a dev. Now Mike has done his work. Now it has turned for log off. Now quickly I will go back and log in as a dev. Okay. I'll go back to the Explorer. You can check that drawing number which has got 227. This is a drawing number which has got fitted. You can see it has been logged in as a dev, and I can see some changes which Mike has did. He has added some slotted holes and also a chain guard to this. You can see. You can also have a preview of the assembly also. You can have a rotation of this where you can see how they added the sprocket, how the chain guard got added. So click, you can have and go and can browse it to the vault. Okay. You can check the preview of this directly in the card, data card, and what is the bill of material of this. You can see we have a bill of material, automatic bill of material generated. This is a bill of EPDM bill of material. We have SolidWorks bill of material also, which you define in the drawing. This is your SolidWorks bill of material, which you define. This is your EPDM bill of material, which you have a customized column view. You can have this bill of material as a customized column view. You can use this bill of material as a normal CSV file, which is in the Excel format. You'll have this in the Excel format. You can use this as you can save this as a normal Excel file, and you can use this. Also, we have option of comparing your bill of material, where you can see that once I compare this bill of material with my version number of bill of material, where it was initial drawing, you can check a green symbol indicates, green mark indicates a new part is added to a assembly. A yellow symbol indicates that part has been modified, and the red indicates the part has been removed from the assembly. So quickly we have we added two new parts, that is one is a bolt, and the second one is the default, this one sprocket guard. These are the two parts were added into the assembly. Also we can save this bill of material, and you can save this in a particular folder so that that folder can be accessible to the downstream departments, and they can view the bill of material of this. So we have an option of saving this bill of material. Save as. We have the bill of material in the same name of drawing. We can save in the folder where you want to give the access to that downstream department, because normally downstream departments don't have any access to the working folders of the engineering department. So we will have a different separate folder, and we will be saving this drawing file, BOM file into that folder. Save. So quickly I can have an display the BOM. Okay, so we can have save that file. So you can see notification generated, where it will show it is adding a new file. Quickly I will display a bill of material. That I will save this again, save, and you can have a display of bill of material. This bill of material has been automatically saved in the folder of components, where this folder is accessible to the downstream departments. So if I will close that, and I will say show files. These are all the files which I have. This all the things which you can do in the EPDM generating the BOM. Also, you can export this bill of material to the different ERP systems, SAP, through in the XML format. So hope you felt happy listening to this webinar session. Now we can start with the queries if you have any.
So it is not working.
Mr. Sachin, you want this webinar? Okay, we can have a demonstration of this at your place instead of getting this webinar. So we can. This is my contact details where you can mail me on my contact number. It's my contact number and my mail ID. You can directly contact on my number for any demonstrations. And thanks a lot. Thanks a lot to all the attendees who attended this webinar section. In future, we'll be having more webinar session on EPDM and also different products of SolidWorks. Okay, thanks a lot.
Four.
नहीं सात है टोटल